Hi, I'm Jim from Ramey Racing. Today we're going to be shipping this D block to a customer. So I'll give you some helpful hints on how we put this all together. Hey, usually for our short blocks and just our sleeve blocks, we try to ship them in a nice box, usually 20 by 20 by 20. That way we can get plenty of padding in there and protect your investment. Okay, get a little tape. We'd like to also put a little staples on the inside of the box. Okay, we're now getting ready to try to cover this block up. We want to make sure we keep all the moisture out of it, make sure it doesn't rust. So the first thing we do is use a little bit of corrosion inhibitor and make sure we spray around the edges of the cylinders just to make sure we don't get any rust and anything like that. So make sure that when you get this block, you clean it up before you actually put it together. After that dries, we're going to we like to wrap them in bags, again, to keep the moisture down. So what I usually do is start like this. Just like wrapping a Christmas present. Squeeze the air out of the bag. And the trick is to make sure that the bag is inflated enough so that when we use this special air foam, you can get into all the edges of the block. Okay, let's get some padding for the bottom of your block. When we drop this in here, it'll fill in the bottom where the crank goes. Okay. And once we're secure with the crank, I'm going to put some foam here and here. Pull this one a little backwards to give you an idea. And there you go. We're going to put some on the top, but first, need to get some O-ring material. Little O-ring material there. Okay, and we're going to use some paper and just fill in around the blanks. Okay, well, we finished packing the box. Add some staples, some extra tape. Wanted to let everybody understand that this is a fragile package and it's made right here in the USA. So, last thing we do, put the shipping label on it, sending it out to you.